If getting up from your favorite chair has started to feel like a small workout, if jars are harder to open than they used to be, I want you to keep watching, because what you're feeling may not be just getting older. It may be a warning sign your body is sending you, one that too many doctors don't mention until it's far along. The good news? Once you know what to look for, you can do something about it. Let's talk about it. There's a condition called sarcopenia. It means the gradual loss of muscle as we age. Starting around 50, we lose muscle every year. After 60, it speeds up, affecting 1 in 5 older adults. Yet it often goes unnoticed because the signs creep in so slowly, we just blame age. So let's go through the warning signs. If you notice a few of these, it's worth paying attention. Warning sign 1. Getting out of a chair is harder. If you find yourself pushing off the armrests or rocking forward to build momentum just to stand, those muscles are doing less work. Warning sign 2. A weaker grip. Trouble opening a jar, or a handshake that's lost some of its firmness. Grip strength is one of the most reliable signals the whole body's strength is declining. Warning sign 3. You're walking slower. Maybe you're the one who now falls behind on a walk you used to lead. Walking speed is a major marker of muscle health. Warning sign 4. Your balance feels off. Reaching for the wall or a stumble that caught you off guard. When stabilizer muscles weaken, balance is one of the first things to suffer. Warning sign 5. Your clothes fit looser, or your arms and legs look thinner. Losing weight without trying can mean you're losing muscle, not just fat. Warning sign 6. Stairs have become a challenge. Pausing halfway or feeling your legs shake near the top. Stairs ask a lot of your leg muscles. Now, why does this matter so much? Because muscle isn't just about strength. It's about staying on your own 2 feet. Weak muscles lead to falls. Falls lead to fractures. And a fracture in your 70s or 80s can be the moment independence slips away. That's the real reason to take these signs seriously, because you genuinely have power over it. And here's the most encouraging thing I can tell you. Muscle loss can be slowed, stopped, and in many cases turned around at almost any age. It's a starting line. So what actually works? First, strength training. This is the #1 tool. 2 sessions a week with a focus on your legs and hips makes a real difference. Strength is the lever. Second, protein at every meal. As we age, our bodies need more protein spread across the day, eggs, fish, beans, dairy, to rebuild muscle effectively. Third, check your vitamin D. Low vitamin D is common and tied to muscle weakness. Ask your doctor whether yours should be checked. It's a simple blood test. Fourth, keep moving. Daily walking, standing up often, and simple balance moves keep what you've built. The more you sit, the faster muscle fades. So if any of these signs sounded familiar, don't panic. Bring it up with your doctor. Ask them about muscle loss and a safe routine. Your muscles are listening. Give them a reason to come back. If this was helpful, check the description below for the full video and consider subscribing so these reach you each week. Talk to your doctor today.